All right, what's up everybody? I'm here at this school I fly at all the time. I tried to go somewhere different, but there's cars. I wanted to hit this I want to get out of the truck. I wanted to hit this Dive Gap little place that I go to, but I always forget there's like a church there and it's Sunday. It's been one of those lazy Sundays too. Like I've watched like 2 movies. I was supposed to get up early and do stuff and I didn't. And so yeah, I got a few packs I want to fly. You're probably sick of this place. Sorry if you are. I don't know what to tell you. All right, here's some flight footage.
Yeah. 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 When I get rich, I'ma still act broke. Wake up and put on yesterday's clothes. Walk outside and probably bum me a smoke. When I get rich. When I get rich, I'ma still act broke. Wake up and put on yesterday's clothes. Walk outside and bum me a smoke. When I get rich, I'ma still act broke. 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 Eyes bloodshot, they knowing that I'm stoned. When I make it, I'll probably get kicked out of award shows. Then I'll hit the bar bouncing, spend a couple thousand, get real drunk and start a fight with a bouncer. Real white trash, 350 pounder. Hit the restaurant and order fresh fish flounder. With a good girl, I mean a classy woman. Halfway through, tell her I prefer a nasty woman. Man, I'm an outlaw in every sense of the word. You can tell I'm not from around here cause I talk with a slur. I love freaky girls, yeah that's just my style. One that'll get up in this truck and go up and down. When I get rich, I'ma still act broke. Wake up and put on yesterday's clothes. Walk outside and bum me a smoke. When I get rich, I'ma still act broke. I'ma still act broke. I'ma still act broke. I'ma still act broke. Yeah, I'ma still. It's gonna be crazy when we finally get famous. We gon' break guitars and we gon' jump off stages. We gon' cuss in interviews on the radio station. We gon' get on TV and fucking act outrageous. Man, I swear, there ain't nothing changing over here on Sunset. Windows down, cranking, drinking me a beer. I represent the ones that ain't never had shit in the middle class. We hate them upper class pricks. So when I get rich, I'ma still act broke and step outside and fire up that dope. It's really who I am, baby. I can't help it. Been on the drink that Hank and smoke Willie Nelson. When I get rich, I'ma still act broke. Wake up and put on yesterday's clothes. Walk outside and bum me a smoke. When I get rich, I'ma still act broke. I'ma still act broke. I'ma still act broke. I'ma still act broke. Yeah, I'ma still act broke. When I get rich, I'ma still act broke. Wake up in the morning, put on yesterday's clothes. Walk outside and fire up that dope. When I get rich, when I get rich, I'ma still act broke. Wake up in the morning, put on yesterday's clothes. Walk outside and fire up that dope. When I get rich, I'ma still act broke. I'ma still act broke. I'ma still act broke. I'ma still act broke. I'ma still act broke.
All right, this is my outro. I forgot to film one. That sun's brutal, isn't it? I forgot to film one when I was there because there was just people and this dog coming. So yeah, I just left because I don't know, the dog acted like it wanted to come over towards me. So all right, here's my outro. Thanks for watching.